How are you?
Yeah, I'm good. What about you?
I'm good. तो बताओ अभी क्या चल रहा है? I mean, after cracking the UGC NET, what are you pursuing now? What you are going to do?
Right now I'm looking for yeah. Right now I'm looking for assistant professor's job now,
Okay.
and side by side I'm also looking for PhDs.
Yes. Yeah.
So this is the thing that I will do right now.
Okay. So assistant professor job and the PhD, both the things you were looking for, right? Your LLM is done, right, Ambika?
Yes, last year.
Last year, done. And is this your first attempt UGC or the second attempt?
Of my first attempt.
First attempt. Last time you haven't attempted it. जो था जब LLM के time आपका, right?
Yeah, right.
Okay. So Ambika, ये बताओ पहले आप, ठीक है? You have attempted, you have cracked it, ठीक है? How is your
Yes.
overall experience regarding the UGC NET पेपर? इस साल का पेपर आपको कैसा लगा? ठीक है, उसके बाद मैं कंपैरिजन पूछ रहा हूँ प्रीवियस ईयर से, बट आपको ओवरऑल मतलब आपका ऑब्जर्वेशन क्या था? मतलब एग्जाम हॉल में यू गॉट द पेपर एंड व्हाट हैव यू अंडरस्टूड? मतलब आपका पहला फर्स्ट इंप्रेशन क्या था इस पेपर के बारे में जब आपको मिला?
First impression, if I talk about paper 2, which is law, I find it easier as compared to the previous year's paper.
Okay.
Right? Means you have studied it, and if your concepts are clear, then it is very easy for you, right? And mostly the questions are in the statement form. They have not asked the direct sections and stuff rather. So I find it easier as compared to previous year's papers. If your concepts are clear, I think you can crack it. Right? And paper one, what can I say about paper one? Paper one was moderate actually. I was also not very happy with paper one, but it was moderate.
Okay. So paper one and paper two, you said कि paper one is moderate, the first impression, and paper two is a lot easier. If someone's basics is good, तो easily tackle हो सकता है. अच्छा, अगर मैं आपको comparison के बारे में बताऊं कि आपको स्पेसिफिकली पेपर वन के बारे में बात करते हैं कि पेपर वन में आपको कुछ नया चीज देखने में मिला इस साल जो प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन पेपर पे नहीं था, दैट माइट हैव थोड़ा बहुत आपको शॉकिंग लगा और समथिंग ना इट वाज ऑन द प्रीवियस ईयर्स में ऐसे ही पूछ जाते हैं, दिस ईयर भी सेम लाइक दैट?
What I think is that your small acts, they've asked questions, I think, from IPR, intellectual property rights question were there.
Okay, I'm asking regarding the paper one first. उसके बाद मैं पेपर टू में पूछूंगा आपको.
Paper one was the same pattern. There was no difference in it. It was the same.
Same, more or less.
5 questions from this, 5 questions from that. Yeah.
मतलब क्वेश्चन का कुछ
पेपर टू
कुछ डिफिकल्टी लेवल कुछ अलग आपको लगा कि नहीं प्रीवियस ईयर थोड़ा बहुत इजी था, डेटा इंटरप्रिटेशन इजी था या?
I think yeah, in data interpretation I think the questions were difficult. If your math is not very good, then I think it will be difficult for you to calculate it.
Yes, some of the
That's what I
students
find.
to us कि डेटा इंटरप्रिटेशन में वो लोग फंसे थे कि वो नहीं बन रहा था डेटा इंटरप्रिटेशन.
Yes, I was also there. I think I was also one of them who was finding it difficult to do the calculation in data interpretation.
Understood. Now let me get into
and about paper two. Paper two was small acts are more actually small. You have to focus on small acts. That's I think. There were I think 3 to 4 questions of IPR, one or two questions of competition, which people generally don't study. They leave it. They consider it to be a small act. They don't think that it is important. But what I have seen from the paper, I think these are important.
Very important. Yeah, true. And any particular aspects that you find it कि paper 2 में इस बार आप generally आप बोले कि minor acts and everything are important, but previous question paper से इस बार अलग दिखा आपको paper 2 में जो आपको पिछले साल नहीं दिखा था या पिछले साल दिखा था इस बार?
What I think is this time they've asked conceptual based question more as compared to previous year.
True. Okay.
That is something which I think is there. And I think I think previous year people were not very well versed with the small acts. They were like, I think till previous year, small acts were generally not asked in the paper, right? Previous year, you got a question on Competition Act, which was never asked before, right? So these are the changes which are being taken place. Like, I need to focus on small acts. Don't leave them.
Okay. Okay. So what you are saying now, the pattern is a little bit changing in relation to the minor acts, because major acts तो पढ़ना ही है आपको, minor acts भी आपको focus रखने हैं, क्योंकि there are some questions that you definitely going to get in the question result.
Actually, the questions on minor acts are direct questions. So I think minor acts can be very scoring for you, for people, those who are going to attempt it. So it is, that's why I'm telling you that minor acts are important.
मतलब इम्पोर्टेंट तो है, और आप इजीली स्कोर करके भी निकल सकते हो अगर आपको थोड़ा बहुत बेसिक कॉन्सेप्चुअल नॉलेज है उसके बारे में. व्हाट यू आर सेइंग, राइट?
या वेरी बेसिक.
यस. सो दैट्स व्हाई, मतलब ऐसा नहीं, क्योंकि द सबसे यूजीसी में चैलेंजिंग चीज ये हो जाता है कि पेपर 1 पेपर 2 मिला के 20-25 सब्जेक्ट्स हो जाते हैं, एंड उसके बाद माइनर एक्ट्स भी अगर उतना मतलब फोकस किया जाए तो इट विल वेरी वेरी समटाइम्स वेरी चैलेंजिंग. एंड दैट्स द थिंग कि
वेरी चैलेंजिंग, या
एंड फॉर दैट रीजन कि माइनर एक्ट हम लोग कितना हद तक पढ़े, इसको छोड़ सकते हैं या नहीं, यानी उस सेट के बेसिक्स अगर हम लोग फोकस करें तो वहां से इजीली हम लोग स्कोर करके लेके आ सकते हैं, बहुत मतलब बहुत इजीली उसको स्कोर कर सकते हैं, rather than the major subjects as well. Major subjects तो
actually yeah, actually what I think in minor acts you don't have to study in depth, right? In minor acts you just have to know the sections which are important. Okay. And that can be scoring for you.
अच्छा, that is great. That is great. अच्छा, आप ये बताओ कि आपके लिए स्पेसिफिकली पेपर 1 में कौन से पार्ट चैलेंजिंग था जो आपके प्रिपरेशन के टाइम आपको लगा कि मुझे इसमें ना मतलब मेरे से नहीं पड़ता है, आई नीड टू रीड मोर, आई टू डू मोर पेपर 1 में, देन आई विल गेट इनटू पेपर 2. बट आपके लिए चैलेंजिंग पार्ट पेपर 1 में कौन सा टैकल करने में बहुत मुश्किल था?
That will be mathematical reasoning.
Data interpretation.
That will be mathematical reasoning. You need to practice it. You need to practice it.
Okay. Okay. So other than the mathematical reasoning wala, any other part that you face, you might face some kind of difficulties?
No, the part okay, because I was taking classes from your institute, so I was able to get each and every material on every topic, right? So I don't find any difficulty because environment and all these stuff are something general, right? So I don't think so. We need to put more efforts in that. But mathematical reasoning is something which I need to practice.
प्रैक्टिस चाहिए मैथमेटिकल रीजनिंग में, वहां पर आपको भी प्रैक्टिस करना.
Yes, definitely.
Now getting into the paper 2, ठीक है. पेपर 2 में आपको कौन सा पार्ट ज्यादा चैलेंजिंग मतलब आपके प्रिपरेशन में लगा के, क्योंकि देयर आर सम सब्जेक्ट्स, देयर आर मेनी सब्जेक्ट्स लाइक आईपीआर, साइबर लॉ, कंपैरेटिव पब्लिक लॉ, न्यू सब्जेक्ट्स हूएवर हैज डन द प्रिपरेशन इन एलएलएम के बाद भी ये सारे सब्जेक्ट्स उसको करना पड़ता है. तो आपको पेपर 2 में कौन सा ज्यादा चैलेंजिंग लगा?
पेपर 2 में see, I personally feel jurisprudence is very challenging for me. I know each and every क्या कहते हैं, each and every author की कौन किसका है, क्या क्या है. There are so many, right? So I find it very difficult कि यार सारा चीजें कैसे कोई याद रखेगा, कौन सा क्या है. तो उसमें भी I think in that area of jurisprudence you need to put more effort. True. Because because IPC and others, family law is something which everybody studies very hard. They don't need to do, they know the concept, right? They know the concept, they know the sections. So this is not something, and it is direct. You don't have to look into so many things. You know the landmark judgments. You don't have to put so much effort in that. But in jurisprudence and international law, oh my God, I have to do a lot. I have to put so much effort for that.
Yes, yes, true. And the jurisprudence are international law का nature of subject is something कि the students tend to forget the content whatever they are reading. अब 7 दिन बाद भूल जाते हैं इंसान, ठीक है, and के लिए उसको
Yes.
proper revision का भी जरूरत पड़ जाता है international law jurisprudence का. That's true. But it's not for you. Many students face this kind of problem in jurisprudence and international law क्योंकि वहां पर बहुत सारी चीज याद रखना पड़ता है और उसको कनेक्शन करना, वो डॉट कनेक्ट
हाँ.
जितना आईपीसी और कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में होता है, राइट? यस, ओके. सो पेपर 1 पेपर 2, अच्छा अभी आप क्या दोबारा अटेम्प्ट करने वाले हो जेआरएफ के लिए? दैट यू आर थिंकिंग के नेक्स्ट अटेम्प्ट में दूंगा जेआरएफ के लिए?
Right now I don't have any plans for that because right now I'm focusing to get a job first. For 2 to 3 years I will like to do the job, and after, if I feel like, then I will see. Right now there's no plan about it.
There is no plan. So as you were telling कि आपको पहले असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर वाला ये करना है, अप्लाई करना है डिफरेंट कॉलेजेस में. Have you started applying in different colleges?
Yes, I've started.
That's great.
Yesterday I've applied to 5 to 6.
Wow,
that's the thing.
That's great. Okay, let's see कि वहां पर आपको जल्दी से जल्दी मिल जाएगा. ऐसा नहीं कि जनरली they will call you up, ठीक है, जनरली टाइम तो उतना ज्यादा नहीं लगता है, वैकेंसीज आर देयर, ओके, एंड देन उसके बाद आपके नॉर्मल इंटरव्यू प्रोसीजर्स तो रहते ही हैं, ठीक है. एंड व्हाट अबाउट द पीएचडी? आर यू प्लानिंग टू डू मतलब pursue the PhD simultaneously with the this
yes
thing?
yes I was thinking of doing it part-time, right? So if in which university I will get the job, I will try to apply in that university to do the PhD so that I can take both the things simultaneously.
Understood. तो आपका स्पेशलाइजेशन क्या था अंबिका इसमें?
My business law.
और अभी क्या, अभी जो, हाँ, अभी पीएचडी का कुछ आप सोचे हो कि कहाँ पर मुझे क्या करना है? Anything that you have thought of regarding the PhD?
Yes, I will do in competition. I have many ideas in my mind because my dissertation in LLM is also on competition law. So I have 5 to 6 ideas in my mind. So I will do in that only.
Okay, that's great. Competition law, it's a new emerging area, ठीक है, तो आपके लिए टॉपिक रहेगा और अच्छे से आप लिख भी सकते हो. That would be very very good. So overall, Ambika, you are there. You probably in the LLM batch as well, right, Ambika? हम लोग के साथ, जो रिसर्च के साथ.
Yes.
How was your experience?
So I'm also thankful with that. Sorry, I didn't get you.
Yeah, मैं बोल रहा हूँ, how's your experience with the research so far? कि आप तो LLM में भी हो, UGC में.
I will say wonderful experience because I'm able to crack both the exams.
Great. That's great.
I really want to thank UGC because actually for competitive exams you need a guide. You need someone's guidance, right? And in my family there is no one who belongs to the legal field, right? So they don't have any idea what type of competitive exam will be there. Sure. So I was like, I need to do something. I need to find some guidance. Otherwise, I will not be able to do it. Right. So I was very happy that I was able to connect with you guys.
That's great. That's a great achievement from our side. कि आपको वहां तक, क्योंकि अभी आप अप्लाई करोगे and definitely will get it, ठीक है, वो तो मैटर ऑफ टाइम है कि आपको मिलेगा. बट that's the thing कि probably आप 2021 बैच में हो, राइट? 2021, राइट? उस बैच में,
राइट?
तो आप उसके बाद
2020 एंड
ओके. तो आप तो जुडिस के साथ तो फिर बहुत टाइम से जुड़े हुए हो, इफ आई एम नॉट रॉन्ग, राइट?
यस, 2 years you can say.
That's the thing कि the people, अंबिका एक चीज मैं बोल रहा हूँ, the people who have connected with us 1.5 year 2 years, वो लोग तो क्रैक करते ही हैं 2 एग्जाम, उसमें तो कोई डाउट ही नहीं है. बट द थिंग इज देयर कॉन्फिडेंस इज सो हाई, उन लोगों को बाकी क्लैरिटी मिल जाता है करियर में कि क्या करना है क्या नहीं करना है, ठीक है. एंड वो इजीली उसके बाद स्मूथली बाकी काम वो लोग बाकी प्रोसेस कर लेते हैं कि क्या करना है मुझे फिगर आउट कर लेते हैं। दैट्स वेरी वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग थिंग ना। हम लोग वही कोशिश करते हैं कि जो स्टूडेंट हम लोग के साथ जुड़े कि बाकी उसका करियर सॉर्ट आउट हो जाए, उसके बाद वो किसी फील्ड में जाना चाहता है वट एवर दैट माइट बी, ठीक है, जिसमें हम लोग हेल्प कर पाए तो उसका करियर सॉर्ट आउट कर दें, सो दैट कि शी और ही डजंट नीड टू वरी अबाउट कि नहीं मुझे ये करना है वो करना है, 4-5 चीज में जंप करने की कोई जरूरत।
That's right. When I was connected to you in the year 2020 for CAT G, right? After half of the time, I was like, no, if I have to do a net JRF coaching, I will do from this institute only. I find it so comfortable with you guys that I don't know how should I express this. Uh, I will say uh, the the notes or the way you taught, right? That is very good. That is very good. You don't have to see the lectures again thrice or fourth time or fifth time or sixth time. If you are attending a live lecture, all your doubts will be clear in that lecture only. You don't have to see the video twice or thrice, right? And if you miss the lecture, that is fine. You can see on your own time the lecture that you have missed, right? And in the next lecture, you can ask the same question if you have any. So I was like, it is okay. I'm in my comfort zone. I'm doing all the thing in my comfort zone. I'm attending any teach and everything. I'm doing everything in my comfort zone. That is the best part that we have. You're preparing in your comfort zone, right?
Cool.
Otherwise, you have to go and to a physical institute, yeah, traveling time, all this stuff, which is not.
Yeah,
I
true.
will not be in my comfort that time, right? So that's the best part, that you are in your comfort zone and you're preparing with it.
You're preparing. That's a very good thing कि आपसे ये सारा चीज सुन के बहुत अच्छा लगा मुझे, ठीक है। एंड डेफिनेटली डू लेट अस नो कि आप जब भी आपको यू आर गेटिंग द चांस फॉर टीचिंग तो एक बार इन्फॉर्म कर देना कि सर आई हैव गॉट इट, ठीक है। देन दैट्स अ वेरी वेरी गुड न्यूज दैट आई एम फॉरवर्ड टू हियर फ्रॉम यू, ठीक है। वो तो मिल ही जाएगा, ये तो मैटर ऑफ टाइम, ये मुझे भी पता है, इट्स अ मैटर ऑफ टाइम दैट यू आर गोइंग टू गेट इट। बट आल्सो ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट। या बताओ एनीथिंग दैट यू वांट टू शेयर।
Actually, the thing that my parents were very happy. They were like, you were able to crack both the exam in your first attempt. They were not like, you will be able to. मैंने कहा, yes, I will be. Just have some confidence in your daughter. मैंने कहा, I'm preparing. I'm preparing. They will come to your room when you are not studying. They will always come to your room when you're not studying. You're watching Netflix. You're doing something else, and they were like, study, study, study. And I was like, I just did it, and now I'm relaxing. And I was like, you always come on that time when I was not studying. I don't know what is the problem with you people.
नहीं, generally it happens कि parents, teachers, they caught you red-handed when you are not doing anything or you are binge watching और आप कुछ कर रहे हो, तभी वो लोग आते हैं, तभी वो लोग देखते हैं। बाकी टाइम तो पढ़ाई करते हैं, I mean, तब कोई कुछ नहीं बोलता है, तब you are alone and
yes, that is the case. I was like, and when they, after the exam was over, I got the result, they were like, we are proud of you. मैंने कहा, yes.
ये
I was studying, I was telling you continuously.
That's a very important thing। और देखो ये पेरेंट्स का होता भी है कि पेरेंट्स दे ऑलवेज मोटिवेट अस एंड ट्राई टू पुश अस के जाओ जाके करो एंड एवरीथिंग, एंड दैट्स द बेटर पार्ट ऑफ द पेरेंट्स के समटाइम दे ऑलवेज, हम लोग सोचते हैं कि नहीं व्हाई दे आर फाइंडिंग फॉल्ट विद इन अस, क्यों हम लोगों को बार-बार बोला जा रहा है, बट एक्चुअली दे आर थिंकिंग फ्रॉम देयर पर्सपेक्टिव के
yes. And actually the thing is, the way I study is like, I study 2 to 3 hours in the morning, and then in the evening I take a break. I just watch Netflix, I just relax myself, and then I start again studying in the night, right? So they were like, you put 4 to 5 hours watching Netflix, and then how many hours do you study for the paper? मैंने कहा, Mama, that is my timetable. I used to prepare timetable like this.
Yes. And
मैंने कहा, Mama, you have to study hard, but you have to study smart as well.
Yes, exactly. And Ambika, thank you for bringing this up, because there are a lot of students, they used to think कि मुझे 12 घंटे पढ़ना है, 14 घंटे पढ़ना है, which might not be their nature. उनके नेचर में है ही नहीं 12 घंटे 10 घंटे 7 घंटे 8 घंटे पढ़ने का. And I have seen, and what you talked about, I have seen many students who have studied 4 hours, 5 hours, 6 hours, and they've done really well, getting better rank than the people who are studying for 12 hours, 14 hours, miserable. ठीक है, मतलब they are forcing themselves to study and study and study, but कहीं ना कहीं वो लोग खुद से वो satisfied भी नहीं है. But go against, but no one needs to go against the teacher. मतलब उसका एक nature है, उसके बाहर
actually actually you're right. The thing is that my younger siblings asked me कि यार मैं अगर रात में पढ़ूंगा then I will able to crack it ना. I was like ये किसने बताया तुमको कि you have to study in the night? भी होना जरूरी नहीं है पेपर के लिए. You need to take your full sleep. Then मैंने कहा no, this is not the way.
Yeah, true.
That is
इंडिविजुअली इसको सॉर्ट आउट करना बहुत जरूरी है कि आप कैसे हो, आपका कैसा है, आपको कैसे रिलैक्सेशन चाहिए, कब एंजॉयमेंट चाहिए, कब आपको फोकस करना है, एंड एवरीथिंग इट्स अ मैटर ऑफ one's own nature that one has to understand. इस हिसाब से आप टाइम टेबल बनाओ, पढ़ो, you are going to crack it. It's not a 4 hours 5 hours 10 hours की बात नहीं है, खुद को समझ के
yes. एक्चुअली ये पेपर का डेट एक्सटेंड होता जा रहा था बहुत ज्यादा ना, सितंबर अक्टूबर में. तो आई वाज लाइक पापा आई नीड टू गो टू द वेकेशन, अदरवाइज आई विल नॉट बी एबल टू डू इट.
ट्रू.
आई वेंट, मतलब आई वाज लाइक माय रिलेटिव्स वर लाइक अरे यू हैव अ पेपर, व्हाई आर यू गोइंग ऑन अ वेकेशन? आई वाज लाइक आई नीड सम फ्री टाइम. मैंने कहा कब से आ रहा है, कब से हो रहा है. माइंड भी थोड़ा हो जाता है कि आपका मोराल थोड़ा डाउन हो जाता है. मैंने कहा यार लेट मी गो.
ट्रू. The reason being कि एग्जाम कब जून जुलाई में होने वाला था, हो रहा है अक्टूबर नवंबर में. ठीक है, राइट. एंड इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट फॉर वन एस्पिरेंट कि इतना दिन तक कोप अप करते रहे, एग्जाम पोस्टपोन होते जा रहा है. इट्स अ वेरी डिफिकल्ट, एंड आई थॉट यू दैट्स अ गुड प्लान टू टेक ए वेकेशन उस टाइम. At least
for 2 to 3 days you can at least go and relax yourself.
Yes, true.
I was like जब भी पेपर के लिए पढ़ रहे होते हो डेट एक्सटेंड हो जाती है.
मैक्सिमम प्रिपरेशन तो जून जुलाई में आपको भी पता है कि मेरा 90-95% प्रिपरेशन डन हो चुका है, क्योंकि मुझे पता है मेंटली कि तब एग्जाम है. आई हैव टू बी डन बाय दैट. उसके बाद एक्सटेंड हो रहा है तो ठीक है ना, यू कांट डू मोर देन व्हाट यू हैव ऑलरेडी डन. वो तो है, मेरा प्रिपरेशन हो चुका है मैक्सिमम.
एक्चुअली क्या होता है जब डेट आ जाती है ना दिमाग में कि इस डेट को पेपर है, यू स्टार्ट स्टडिंग, यू स्टार्ट डूइंग थिंग्स. जब डेट ही निकल जाती है
ठीक है बाद में पढ़ लेंगे, फिर दोबारा डेट आने दो. That's how it goes.
हाँ, this is the attitude actually. तो कोई क्या करे?
नहीं वो होता है, and it's a good thing that you have taken the vacation and free up your mind. And ultimately देखो vacation के चलते आप पूरा sort out किया and then you come back and you crack the UGC. That's the best part. ठीक है, and you have done your own way. That's so pleasing to hear कि you have done your own way. आप ऐसा नहीं कि आप नेचर आप 6 घंटे वाले इंडिविजुअल हो and you have put 18 hours to crack the exam. ऐसा नहीं किया, आप 6 घंटे पढ़ के ही आप क्रैक किया, and that's a success for you. That's a greater success than doing out of your zone and then you are doing it. ठीक है, that's the bigger success. कि आप आपके नेचर में जाके वहीं पर वही किए and you have cracked the exam. And I
एक्चुअली फॉर्म जब मैं LLB कर रही थी, मेरा ना हमेशा मेरा नेचर ऐसा है कि जब वहां पे पेपर होते थे आई वाज लाइक नो आई हैव टू प्रिपेयर माय टाइम टेबल अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट आई विल स्टडी. So after I cracked the CLAT PG wala paper, my parents were like, she will able to do it. She just prepared her timetable and she will study according to it and she will be fine. This is the way. So they also know. तो मैंने उनको सारा टाइम बता दिया कि मम्मा this time I will be free. If you want me to do any work, give me to tell me on this time only. Otherwise I will not do your work.
सही है. सही है. I mean otherwise I mean आपके पढ़ने का टाइम में कुछ नहीं आए, ये बेटर चीज है कि अब आपको तब आपका फोकस ठीक है, and there are a lot of students who do some kind of household chores. अच्छा चीज है, ठीक है, उसमें कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं, but that will not hamper your studies, that you have to take care of. ठीक है, तो इसमें आप जो बोले
actually I want to say something. Last year I lost my mother because of COVID, right? So my father was like, will she able to do it, will she able to do the, will she, मैंने कहा just give me some time. Otherwise my plan was, when I was doing my LLM, I will start preparing for NET during that time, but because of this happening, I was lost for I think 2 to 3 months. I was like, what I'm doing with my life, right? So after the I will decide. Then I decided कि after completion of my LLM, I will start with the preparation.
True. इसीलिए
So
आप
actually at that time I was like, Papa, just give me this year, I will start. So Papa was like, okay, take as much time you want. You are free. Do whatever you want to do. I will ask you when your result will be there. मैंने कहा yes. So during that time, I have to do a lot of household work, as my mother was no longer here. So I have to manage both the things. So then again, my timetable was according to it only.
And that's मतलब you have managed both the things. That's very मतलब बहुत अच्छा लगा सुन के कि you have managed both the things. You manage your house. And so sorry to hear that news that mother is no longer during the weekend. And उसके बाद
it's okay.
And though you manage the things and you cracked it, it's a bigger achievement in all the. ठीक है, आप आपके जोन में रह के 5 घंटे 6 घंटे पढ़ाई करके उसके बाद हाउस होल्ड मैनेज करके, ठीक है, and you gone through everything whatever you have gone through during the COVID, and then you crack it. It's a way bigger challenge, and the success that you have brought for you.
Yes, definitely. I was so happy. I was so happy. I just can't express what that was feeling. That feeling was
That's great. जल्दी आपके कॉलेज लग जाए, आप जाओ पढ़ाना स्टार्ट करो. That I just really sincerely wish for you कि आप जाओ और पढ़ाना स्टार्ट करो.
Thank you so much.
And जल्दी न्यूज़ मिल जाए मुझे कि अंबिका इस कॉलेज में ज्वाइन करेगा. Officer, that's the thing. Okay, looking forward to hear that news.
Actually, you will be the first one I will inform. You will be the first one who will inform about this.
Thank you. I'm just eagerly looking forward to it. और ये दिन
same.
बहुत जल्दी होने वाला है. And also do let me know when you are starting with the PhDs and everything. ठीक है, because both
definitely.
Both are equally very good news for your life. Okay, thank you for sharing your valuable time. ठीक है, and sharing your journey. So nice to know.
It's my pleasure. It's my pleasure actually.
Thank you very much. It's our pleasure to have you. We are humbled to serve you basically. Thank you very much.
Thank you.